Ooh-wee, ladies and gentlemen, we have here the 2018 Nissan Rogue SL all-wheel drive model. This beautiful black on black leather interior, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering wheel controls. Only 5,000 miles on this vehicle. It's got navigation, heated seats, fog lights, super nice, and best of all, minimal damage around the body. Your front bumper looks great. Your hood looks good. Your fender looks good. Your front driver's rim, no curbing, looks great. Let's check out your tire tread on this vehicle, which is at 9/32. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing on this one. And let's check out your tire tread, which is at 10/32. It's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat. Let's check out your, jump in here. Turn on for you guys. Push start system. 2 key fob combos. And owner's manual. And owner's manual, sorry. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. Get you this, of course, your navigation system that I just pushed over my way out of it. Boom. Radio, backup camera, and power. AC controls right down below. You get your heated seats here. Boom. You got steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on. Any issues? You have mileage of 5,931. Looks good in all the angles. You got your home device here. Looks great. It's got a little push button here so you can open up your rear deck lid or rear lift gate. Looks good. Is your rear passenger seat, and what that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders. Coming around, rear bumper looks good. What your rear trunk space looks like, pretty big and spacious. These things can be rearranged as you please. Does have a spare tire here with some tools and such. A little button here that closes your automatic lift. And your tailgate looks great. Quarter looks good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Rear passenger rim. Tire tread is at 8/32 or 9/32. This door looks good. Here's your the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have rear AC vents. Front door looks good. Front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips to that one either. Front fender looks nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see any curbing. And your tire tread is at 9/32. Lights are working, car is running, things are great, folks. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is a 2018 Nissan Rogue SL all-wheel drive model with 5,000 miles. If you guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.